Hello everyone, today I will unboxing of Honor 200 5G. The 8GB plus 2 5GB variant is priced at 2499 yuan. Let's unboxing and take a look. What about color matching? What I recommend most is this violet black one. It is looks like as a previous Magic 6 series and now in 200 series. This black is most beautiful and classic color. The only bad thing, it was so heating up just to shoot the video. The texture on the bag is really cute, comfortable to touch. It has a 5200 mAh battery with 100 watt charging. The weight is only 3 grams higher than the previous generation, come from 183 to 187 grams. It feels a bit weird to hold it in hand. The frame adopts a right angle frame and cover screen inlay design. To be honest, it looks cute, high quality, but it will be relatively handicapped. Of course, if you put on the case, this problem will be solved instantly. So talk about a camera system. Compared with the previous generation, it has also improved a lot. The main camera is 50 megapixel IMX906, 50 megapixel telephoto to IMX856. There is also additional 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. It also supports hardcore portrait mode from Honor new technology. So in portrait mode, there will be additional portrait of hardcore. Of course, no matter how good the model is, you also need light and angle as well. He also supports up to 50x zoom. This time the 50 megapixel telephoto is cute, impressive. Front facing video recording only support 30 frame 4K. There is no way to get 4K 60 frame from back and front. The texture of the whole machine is cute, excellent. I believe it, you will never put it down after touching this feeling. The velvet black is really cool color. The processor uses 3rd generation Snapdragon 7. It is pity that there is no radio frequency enhancement chip. As a Motorola and mobile phone, this classification is still possible. Of course, people who have dreamed of a large scale game should not consider it. So he comes with 6.7 in 2K OLED 4H cover display with support 120, has a refresh rate, and 3840 as a high frequency PWM timing. It's definitely improved a lot compared to the previous generation. If you are not a serious gamer, then it is still very useful for you. Big battery, eye protection, charging is also fast. There is also 5000 VC heat reception. A game of this level is no problem with Honor of Kings. The most important thing is that he can take very beautiful portrait if you are a young lady who has just graduated, so it is really recommend for you. Okay, that is end of this video. See you next with Honor 200 Pro unboxing. Just subscribe and take care.